So we have the first tag team presentation here. My name is Jeremy Hurley. I'm down here from Redwood City. So you can ask me why I'm down here later, maybe. And this is my partner, Rick Parker. Just a little bit on our background. So I have a sales marketing background in IT publishing, and Rick is a 20-plus year IT executive veteran. So he's done a lot of IT product purchases and project management, and it's his basically problem that we've built to solve. So the market that we're tackling is, like I said, IT product purchase. So everything from kind of creating the short list, evaluating, and then doing the project management. So the issue has been a lot of this gets done. Basically, somebody fires up a blank spreadsheet, goes to a bunch of different websites, Cisco, EMC, NetApp, whoever. You pull down product data, and it's a very manual process. And then from there, a lot of these projects, multi-million-dollar projects get done in group evaluations. So people are either passing back and forth spreadsheets, multiple emails. There's not really a central, system or repository that allows, that makes the process efficient. And Rick is, like I said, he's going to show you a little bit of a demo of the product. And the other thing, through people using this, we collected a lot of data on reviews and ratings and comments, and so it becomes a pretty powerful platform that people can tap into. So you don't have to start an evaluation from scratch. You can, there's some crowdsourced elements to it. You have it going yet?
Yeah, jump right into it. If you want to go over kind of.
Yeah, so basically, it's a big market. Kind of the core people that, we're building this for, like technology decision makers and evaluators. So network engineers, network architects, system engineers, people like that.
We have about 500,000 potential customers. I'm going to go through a live demo here. This is a new system with a touchpad, so it's going to be kind of exciting. I think everybody likes this. So I'm going to go ahead and log into TechStacker. Just going to duplicate the display so you can see the screen real quick. The aspect ratio is going to be a little bit much. We're working in landscape mode. We're working in a spreadsheet type of format. Well, be scrolling back and forth, but it looks a lot better on a landscape type of display. Go full screen. The first thing I'm going to do is show you how quickly we can do an evaluation. So I'm going to go up here, I'm going to say Add Evaluation. And from here I can select software. We have standardized categories of all enterprise IT products. This really is an evaluation engine for any type of product, but we're focusing on enterprise IT products because it's fairly difficult to what we're normally dealing with.
Speak louder.
I'm sorry about that. So as soon as I select the category for alert escalation services, it loads all of the alert escalation services that are in the system, and it loads all the feature specs and requirements of that system. If I select this up here, it selects all of the alert escalation services, and from here it loads the evaluation table down below. From here you can see I can scroll across and we can add features. These are kind of default. If I want to add new features, this is where we build our own you can build your own customized scoring engine. So I can go here and go feature 1, etc., and put in a description for it. And select, and select a scoring engine here. and select Save, so I'm adding a custom feature spec, this one particular product. So I go across, you can see what's a little bit different here is if I highlight one of the features, it gives me a description of that feature. It's a little different from a spreadsheet. It also shows me the scoring options for this particular feature.
You have 1 minute.
If I go down here, it shows the comments. So we have comments on a feature-by-feature specific basis. So this is where it becomes an evaluation engine much more than a product review website. I'm going to go back here to the dashboard that shows the crowdsourced information. So the dashboard is a quick menu for the system and also shows kind of these are new products that are added by everybody who's using the system. So these are the latest products that have been added. If I see something that looks pretty interesting, like this, if I add a brocade router, I can very quickly select it to a watch list and add to my personal watch list. So now it's in my personal watch list. If I go here and look at watch lists, these are personal watch lists I have set up. So I can create as many watch lists as I want. And if I select something like my network watch list, it shows all the products in my watch list. So I can set statuses for each one of these products for follow-up. If I want to evaluate this one or schedule a demo for this one. So this helps me track new products on a product-by-product basis. So the next thing is the projects view. So once we set up and add products to our project, we can start tracking the information. So this is like if I'm going to build a new data center. This shows me the firewalls, the alert escalation service, the cloud management service. So let's scroll over here. You can see all the different information we're tracking on the different products. So it lets us discover, evaluate, and purchase enterprise IT products. And it eliminates the cost, risk, and time of doing enterprise IT work. Generally, by the time I get a phone call to build a new project, if I haven't done the evaluation up front, it's going to put me 2 or 3 weeks behind. If I pick the wrong product, and I'm talking 500,000, $1 million products, if I buy the wrong product, that's a significant risk if I don't buy the right product for the project.
I'm sorry, we're at time.